everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute fluffy little buddy using fuzzy craft sticks. In this first part, we'll create the head. Grab one of your fuzzy sticks. We're going to start by wrapping it around 3 of your fingers 4 times. Once you've done that, let's check it against the face piece. Yep, that's the perfect size. Now let's make the ears. Take the long end of the stick and poke it through the top of the loop we just made. Pull it through until you have a small loop for the ear. A good size is about 2/3 the length of your thumb. Once you have the size you like, just give it a little pinch and a twist at the base to secure it. Now do the exact same thing on the other side to make the second ear. Great! Now that the ears are done, it's time to attach the face. Fire up your hot glue gun. Put a dab of hot glue on the back of the fuzzy frame we made and press the face piece on firmly. Then add a solid line of glue all the way around the inside edge to make sure it's secure. Next, grab a new fuzzy stick. We're going to wrap it around the face, adding a bit of hot glue as we go. Just keep wrapping from front to back until the whole stick is used up. And there you have it, a perfectly round and fluffy head. For an extra touch, you can add a little detail. I'm just snipping off a tiny bit of wool roving here, rolling it into a little ball and tucking it into the ears with a felting needle. It just adds a nice finished look. And the head is all done. In the next part, we'll make the body. Just like before, take a fuzzy stick and wrap it around 3 fingers 4 times. Now for the legs. Fold the remaining part of the stick in half to create 2 little legs. A good length is about half the length of your thumb. To make the legs look a bit thicker, take the end of the stick and wrap it around each thigh a couple of times. Perfect. Now set that aside and grab a new stick to make the arms. Just twist it onto the body section. Use the rest of the stick from the arms to wrap around the torso. This will fill out the body. I like to wrap the upper body a little tighter. Keep going until you've wrapped it all. Now it's time to attach the hands and feet. You'll probably want to trim the fuzz at the ends of the arms and legs so you can see the wire bone inside. Just put a little dab of hot glue on the wire and pop on the plastic hands and feet. Do this for all 4 limbs. For the final step, apply a generous amount of hot glue to the neck area of the body. Carefully press the head onto the body and hold it for a moment until the glue sets. And we're done! Look how adorable it turned out! I hope you were able to follow along. Let me know if you give it a try.